Hi guys, welcome in. So I ordered a jewelry mystery box from Unclaimed Baggage. So they're a company, they've been around for a really long time. They're a company that apparently gets lost luggage that's never been claimed, and they resell the stuff in their store or online. So I saw on their website that they offer a jewelry mystery box, is what they call it. It says 10 pieces jewelry mystery box. Here's their website, and I just searched mystery boxes. You can see they have a large variety of mystery boxes, and here's the one for jewelry. You can see they have mystery boxes for like anything and everything. This is the only one I see for jewelry. I did notice at the end of the year, last year, a couple of YouTubers had purchased a Pandora mystery box from Unclaimed Baggage, but I don't see any of those listed. Maybe that was just a special thing they did. So if I go back and click on the one for jewelry, it definitely shows a box, and it says costume jewelry mystery box, 10 pieces, $15.99, and they cover all the conditions as is, excellent, good. And then there's a little write-up about it. And then this is what I paid with taxes and shipping, $27.63. So you tell me after this video what you think. Was this a hit? Was this a miss? Was it somewhere in between? Let's see what I got. So here's the bag. I was expecting something larger, but that's okay. You can see it's just kind of an envelope here. But let's dig in and see what's in here. All right, they are all individually wrapped. This seems similar to like a thread up where you get the 15 piece, but the thread ups usually have some nice pieces. Let's see what these are. Let's see the quality. Okay. This seems like it might be a, I don't know. I don't know what that is. Is that a toe ring? It's really small, and it's costume. Well, it's not magnetic, but it's definitely costume. I'll show you how small it is. It won't even fit over the end of that. So it's maybe like a 0.5. If anybody wants that, I'll just do like $1 for that. Here is fashion jewelry in the pack. It's a heart with a cross in it. And I'll do $1 on that as well. Never been opened. Sheen. Looks like some earrings. Again, never been opened. Interesting that they're on this side. Anyway, I'll do $1 on those. Those are hard to see. Let's see. They're packaged in a really odd way. Oh, these are bent. These are bent. And this one's broken. Okay, so we have a broken item for crafts. Here are a pair of earrings. Very large. Made in China as well. Do $1 on those too. These look bent as well. They're seem to be earrings, but they're very bent in the back. Just open them up. Oh, maybe they're not. They were just in there a little crooked, but they don't seem bent. But you can just wear them as a single pearl, or you can add this attachment. Let's see. I'm just gonna do $1 on these as well. I wonder if I can leave a review. These are heart earrings that appear to be in 3 different sizes. I'll do $2 for all of those. These look like bracelets, plastic bracelets that are silver. I'll do $1 for that whole bag. Let's see what's in here. This is cold to the touch, which has me feel like it's natural stone. But let me test it real quick. Okay, the presidium's warmed up. I'll try the back. Oh yeah, that's reading as jade. So this is the so far the nicest piece that's in here. Carved jade. So we have 1.5 inches there. I use my little CT Bids ruler when I do work for CT Bids. I work at the Angeles Foothill franchise for CT Bids. One of many jobs. Okay, we have 2 left here. This I remember was a store in the mall. $14. We found a little sparkle just for you. They're like Thunderbolt earrings. So I'll do like $2 on those Thunderbolt earrings. Those are like 1.5 inches as well. And our last thing is brought to you today by the letter M. And it is a necklace. It has a modern clasp on it. Doesn't look like gold. So I'll do like $2 on that necklace. So what do you think? Was it a hit? Was it a miss? Was it somewhere in between? So if you've ever ordered one of these, let me know what your 10-piece mystery box was like. There was one nice piece in there, and that was the jade piece. I'm wondering if all of their 10-piece jewelry bags have at least one really nice piece in there that makes up for the cost of the bag. The only way to find out would be to order some more of these mystery boxes from this place. And I don't think I want to make that investment. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time.